punished.
Hi, I'm Leslie. Today I'm reading story for Don and Dogs. Page 1. Don sees dogs. He sees dogs on a pad. Page 2. Don sees dogs on a pot and on a pad. Page 3. Don puts dogs on a pot and on a pan. He puts dogs on a pot. Page 4. Don puts dogs on pat and Dan. He puts dogs on Sam and Nan. Page 5. Don puts dogs on a top. He puts dogs on the dogs. Page 6. Can Don put dogs on Tom the rat? Don cannot put dogs on Tom the rat. Page 7. Can Don put dogs on Dad? Page 8. Don cannot put dogs on Dad. Dad is mad. Don is sad. Hi, I'm Leslie. Today I'm reading story 3. The Tot and the Pot. Page 1. Tom is a tot. Tom is on a mat. Page 2. Tom saw a pot. Page 3. Tom is not on the mat. Tom can get the pot. Page 4. The pot is on Tom. Page 5. Page 5. Mom saw the pot on Tom. Mom got a mop. Page 6. Tom is on the mat with Mom. Oh, yeah.